Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a new headlight bulb, which you can find by checking your owner's manual or the old bulb itself. Always use clean gloves to avoid touching the new bulb's glass. You might also need a screwdriver or a small wrench, depending on your vehicle. Make sure your car is completely off and the engine has cooled down for safety. Now, let's get to the bulb. Open your vehicle's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see a wire harness connected to it. Carefully disconnect this electrical connector. Usually, you press a small tab and pull it straight off. Next, you might find a dust cover or a protective cap. Gently twist or unclip this cover to expose the bulb itself. Take your time with these steps to avoid damaging any components. With the old bulb exposed, it's time to remove it. Many bulbs are held in place by a retaining spring clip. You'll need to unclip this. Others might require a quarter turn counterclockwise to release. Once released, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Now, take your new bulb, still wearing gloves, and insert it into the housing. Make sure it's seated correctly and then secure it by re-engaging the retaining clip or twisting it clockwise until it locks. Almost done. Once the new bulb is securely in place, reconnect the electrical connector. It should click firmly into position. Then, replace the dust cover or protective cap, ensuring it's sealed properly to protect the bulb from moisture and dirt. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. If it illuminates, you've successfully replaced your headlight bulb. Close the hood, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.